I was recently denied a home loan due to a low credit score. Do you recommend me paying a credit repair company for assistance? Well, all right. First off, I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in. This is question 8 of the top 10 questions from first-time homebuyers. Before we dive into this answer, full disclaimer, ATX Credit 737 was specifically created for these situations. Now, here's my answer. Should you pay for credit repair after being denied a loan? No, you shouldn't. 90 to 95% of what a credit repair company will do, you can do for yourself. First, you got to understand the difference between building credit versus repairing credit. All the tools and all the information is already online for you to repair your credit. Now, building your credit, you can also do that on your own, but there are tools out there to help you do it at a more faster pace. Those things can come with a price tag, and depending on your situation, you may want to consider going to the right source and try to seek help in that department. But credit repair, no. Like I always say, save your credit repair money for a down payment. That being said, here's a few tips. Payment history, utilization, and the overall age of your credit. Those are the big 3 that affect your FICO score the most, but the payment history is the strongest. Pay all your bills on time, even if it's the minimum. Take your overall credit limit and get it under 30%. And when it comes to your age of your credit, keep all accounts open, because that's going to help you out in the long run. So I hope that helps. If you have any more questions, you can reach me at info@atxrealty737.com. Even if it's about credit, I won't charge you. All right.